Hi guys, so today we'll be trying out this super potent herbal hair tea recipe that will not only stimulate your hair growth, but it will restore your edges and strengthen your hair against breakage. So stay tuned. So guys, the first ingredient we'll be using today is none other than fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. These seeds help in moisturizing your hair, bringing back luster and bounce, but also strengthening your hair to grow. The second ingredient we'll be using today are cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. We have used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and hair teas, and we have seen immense results. Today we'll be using just 1 tablespoon of cloves. The third ingredient we'll be using today are dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. It also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes hair growth whilst treating a variety of scalp issues. Last ingredient we'll be using today is Horsetail. Horsetail contains silicone, a rich mineral that improves the quality and the strength of the hair. It helps reduce hair loss and boosts the strength of the hair and hair follicles. We'll also be using 1 tablespoon of horsetail. So guys, now that we have all our ingredients on the pan, we would now be roasting them for 10 minutes until it is brown in color with a strong fragrance. Once your ingredients are roasted, you then need to transfer it into a clean jar and pour boiling hot water to brew your herbal hair tea. This hair tea should be left to brew for about 5 hours if you want it super potent before you decide to strain it. Guys, all ingredients used are all natural and can be gotten from your local Indian food shop or a health store. All ingredients, when paired together, are potent and contain properties that will boost your hair growth, awaken dormant hair follicles on your hairline. It will strengthen the hair and reduce shedding. The combination of all 4 ingredients is so powerful as they each play a transformative role on your hair. All 4 ingredients contain strengthening and moisturizing properties that will help you to see new growth and also retain length. After 5 hours, your herbal hair tea should be dark brown in color, and now it is ready to strain. You will need to drain the liquid with the help of a strainer or a cheesecloth and then transfer it into a spray bottle. This hair tea will help stimulate your hair growth. It will treat baldness, bald patches. It also helps if you have dandruff and itchiness. And then overall, it reduces hair shedding and improves the condition of your hair. Now your super potent herbal hair tea is ready to use. These ingredients are powerful because they are packed with a variety of nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. Each ingredient has especially strengthening properties, especially fenugreek, and that helps you hold on to your hair follicles. It also awakens hair follicles on your front hairline. Guys, if you are struggling with your hairline, if your hairline is thinning out, if you're losing your edges, this is the perfect hair tea to try out. How to use this hair tea? This hair tea can be used as a hair rinse and poured over the hair on your wash day. It can especially be used as a hairspray, which we show in this video. All you need to do is evenly part your hair in sections and spray onto the scalp and the body of your hair, then gently massage it in. Do ensure to also store this hair tea in the fridge and use within 7 to 10 days. So guys, kindly let us know in the comment section below if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this super potent hair tea. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.